ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka orange Nissan loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Umintri katanat pule puthi ke sarkar jilla uba Lahkmen Rymbui ula ong ba umla asatya ban ai ke Kular hakabaya dei bat ke Jingdawa Jong ki Nonghikai school Adhoc ke bala penlong ye ke jinyaki hakmat ka office Jong ka main secretariat na do ka khan nyo tarik ubanai kala lingkon arhajar arpuar. Haka jinya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba Rymbui uliya tho ba ka sarkar ka juyai pet ye ki Jingdawa Jong ki Nonghikai ne ka por shakapor bat kam longru ka basuk ye ka sarkar ban shipendep no marmar ye ka Jingdawa.
The government is in every now and then it is looking alive to this thing, but as I said time and again, it is not very easy for the government to do it now. So the process is on, but I cannot assure that it will be done as per the wish or as per the thing. But whatever the government think it can be done, it will do in the due course of time. Because the issue is not the new one, the issue is old one, and everybody know what is the issue, what is the implication of that issues. So it is not very, thing. But as I said, they are always welcome. I have met them time and again, not only once, twice, thrice. In fact, multiple times we have met. The Honorable Chief Minister have met that time and again, but they should also know that that what it is can be done and what not can be done. But having said that, the government is alive to the issue, not only to every issue within the state. But having said that, decision cannot be taken at overnight, or decision cannot be taken I think we will take a due process of thing will be done, so that whatever thing which decided by the government, we will able to fulfill whatever we promise.